Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, see how I use cardboard to make a shoe tower. It's all right, stay a while. I was dissatisfied with my shoe storage, so I decided to make my own custom shoe storage to fit in this void space. The materials I used were some leftover cardboard boxes from a bookcase I had recently put together and cardboard that I bought from Walmart that I already had. I also used masking tape, clear packing tape, and a lot of hot glue. I only purchased one roll of white peel and stick paper. The other peel and stick papers I had left over from previous projects. I'm not showing the dimensions for my shoe tower because if you made one for yourself, it would have to be custom. Mine was made specifically to fit into a void space beside a bookshelf in my closet. In this picture, I show how I attached one of the sides to the bottom, the top, and the backing. I used the cardboard that I'm going to use for the shelves in order to steady the other side of my shoe rack so that it can hold up while I tape and glue everything together. I covered the shelves with white on one side and a print on the other. Now, with the shoe rack on the back, laying on the back, I applied all the shelves in the spaces that I wanted it to go by using hot glue and tape to hold it. Then I placed the shoe rack in the designated space in my closet. After about a week being in the closet, a couple of the shelves loosened, so I did some reinforcement later after this video with some small dowels that I had cut to size and hot glued them up under the shelf ends. Now, here's the finished look with all of the shoes in place. Instead of buying more shelves, I just glued many pieces of cardboard together to make these shelves for other shoes that I had. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my video, and I hope you found it useful. And as always, I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.